Each time. Alright guys, alright, this is our sawmill zip. We call it our sawmill zip because it goes conveniently right next to our sawmill. Yes, conveniently.
That is convenient.
It's a big word.
I know. Once again, we're just going to step off this platform. We don't want to jump off.
Okay.
We don't want to cause ourselves to bounce in any way. So, see you on the other side.
I still want his job, man.
Huh?
I want your job.
It's
man.
pretty great.
I still want his job.
And can we just continue to just hold
Yeah,
the
you don't have to
tethers? We
use
don't
your
have
break
to.
it off.
Okay, because I really don't want to even.
She likes her job because we pick on her all the time.
This time
It's
I'm
not
gonna try
really
the video
true,
part
but-
of it and just see if
See
I can
what you get?
See what I get. Yeah.
And that's what you don't do.
Exactly. Whatever he does, don't do it.
That's like the one that's the troublemaker.
We have one that we absolutely cannot go upside down on with customers, and he always goes upside down in front of kids, and they think it's okay. Bad example for sure. And there's where the rope goes. I'm gonna stand in front of you for a minute.
That's quite okay with me.
All right, you're free to go.
That was incredible! Holy cow!
We ain't got there yet. The holy cow's coming, I promise. We haven't got there yet. Alright, you would walk down this way?
This way?
Yeah, down the front of the mound. If you leave that thing running the entire time, you won't be able to get the whole trip.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off.
Oh, that was cool.
You step up on that horn. All right.
Wasn't that awesome? I was spinning on that one.
Yeah, I see you start spinning.
Woo! I hear Franny. Listen to her.